What I'll be teaching you guys now. This is how you guys will. Talk to your mother in the morning. In the morning. In the morning. Talk to her. When you wake up. Waking up. Okay, that's what that means. If you live upstairs, you go downstairs. Maggie, you see your mother. Maggie, you see your mother. Listen to what I'm saying. Don't pronounce this any other way. Negi, you can say negi or Maggie. Negi or Maggie. You can say it any of those ways, okay? And you're good. If you start saying negi, I will just slap. Don't try it. Like that. Don't do anything like that. English sometimes is always sneaking in when I'm trying to speak Igbo. I don't like it. This is why I'm teaching most of you Igbo. So when I see you, so when I see you, we will be able to talk in Igbo, okay? So when I see you, me and you will be able to talk in Igbo. So Maggie, when you see your mother, it's here. Ma, hello timere. Ma, hello timere. Ma, how are you doing? So if you want to say good morning, ma, otutoma, that is good morning. Motutoma, now if when it's night, there's different ways you can say good night. Okay? You say kachibo, otutabali. Abalioma. You can say abali because abali is night. Abalioma night. What else? And that's it.